something. There might be a unique Virgo way to do something.
Hello guys, I think we should start afresh. This is the Gauteng paper, grade 12 NSC and examination, June examination. Technical mathematics paper 2. Yesterday we did it, but I don't think we did it properly. Some of the things were missing, and the way I saw it, I don't think it's looking good. So I changed the color, the background. So we're gonna start here. Without no further ado, let's start by determine the length of AB. So that's a wrong way to go about it. The rules say you should read carefully the questions. So question 1 says, in the diagram below, the coordinate A of coordinate x 0 and y coordinate 4, and B with the x of -7 and y of 0, C with x value of -5 and y value of -4, and D the value of x which is 3, positive 3, and the value of y is -2. I'm sorry about that. Are vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. Alright, so they say A, B, and C are what? I don't want to zoom in, man. Chill. They are what? A quadrilateral. So, and they say we have a midpoint here, meaning the midpoint is the equidistance. So it means this side and this side are equal, and this is the middle part, right? That's where we understand the midpoint. I hope we are all clear. Let me check my mic. The mic is on, so the fan is moving. I think it's too harsh, but we will change it. I'm quite hot. I'm coming in hot. Anyway, my name is Chris. Thank you for following. Thank you and welcome to the page. I'm sorry I was supposed to do this today, but we were distracted by some other things. What? Approaching usage. Once the load is remitted, your notes will become read only. Nah, it's okay. It's okay. It will become read only as long as I'm recording for my kids. That's all I want. Oh, the rain is raining outside, or it's about to rain. So they say the E is the midpoint of CD, right? So as I said, it means from the distance from C to E and from E to D, this is the middle part that's cutting the two distances. So without missing our drawing, let's go back and make it clean and then get straight to the question. So we have our angle here. They didn't tell us about it from the problem, but we can see that this is the angle of inclination, but we will get there. The coordinates are fine. We are still writing the correct examination, which is technical maths paper 2. Those are the things that we check mostly. And another focus, we're making sure that the rules that we can write outside. So I'm gonna cut that rule but maybe we might practice it even when we are practicing. So they say determine the length of AB, right? So determining the length of AB, you can see that we need what the distance formula, right? You guys call it the distance formula. So I'm gonna write D with a small d, then A, B.
Let me zoom in a bit because I want to write neatly as quick as possible. So I'm going to write the formula for you guys. Inside the formula we have the coordinate x, right, of A, which subtract x of B, all squared plus, right, it's a plus, right? Is it correct? It is. And y of A minus y of B. The way it follows even here. So let me just try to do this.
Alright, so now if we have this, I'm gonna try to write one a little bit small.
This one is too big, so maybe here, and then I'm gonna keep on changing when I substitute, or maybe the correct answer might substitute. So I'm gonna try to squeeze it here. I don't know if you guys will allow that, but allow me. I don't wanna be nice in that. Let me just try to write it here because it's too much. We're gonna end it here. So here, this part, the formula.
AB, right? So we're gonna go to A and B. So our X is this, X B, and X A, and Y A, and we have Y B, which is this one, right? Let's check. So that we are sure, all right?
I think it's gonna be 16.
Check it if we are right. We are not messing up. It's your duty to check if we have the correct answer. Then the final answer, I think, is gonna be this 65. Then units. This is important. You get me, right? So I'm gonna give you this thing the way it is, but like, let me try to rub this because we were using it for calculation. Try to clean our drawing a bit. But it's a little bit messy, or even this one, I'm not appreciative of it. I could have done a better job. I know myself. You should leave it in set form, you see. This is set form. That's set form. You leave it in with roots and stuff. I don't know. The mathematician will explain to you better. I'm an engineer. Determine the coordinates of E. We did find it yesterday. Let me try to do it quick. I think we're wasting time. So this one is the midpoint. Midpoint formula. The midpoint of E. The midpoint of CD, right, is gonna be the XCD over 2, and then we're gonna have the Y of C plus the Y of D divided by 2. That's what we need the distance for, right? So therefore now E, which is the midpoint, we're just gonna go straight to substitution. So it's gonna be I'm quite confident that you're gonna get your 2 marks. Alright? I think it's 1 for formula. Have maybe 1 for substitution, 1 for this. I'll check. I'm not quite sure. Check the memo. If it comes, there's no memo for this one. Oh, we did this one. So at least, we still have. So this one is the gradient. So find the gradient of AB. 2 marks. So let me lasso this one. 29.74 degrees, right? Positive, so it means it's here, somewhere here. It's still here. It's within, right? Because we have a 90. Oh wow! I don't like what's happening outside. Is it here? You guys verify. Let me write your notes because we're gonna waste time and we're not gonna post this. because sometimes it's at the other quadrant. We need to check, but everything is positive here. AD, let me check. AD is on the other side. Yeah, this one is the angle of inclination, right? So if we have this one, the gradient of this, to find this one, use those two. Then you'll see, if you multiply them, then you find -1, you know it's perpendicular. So right now, I'm quite unfocused, you know. Let me try to go outside and check what's really happening with the weather thing. And then we will continue with this one. We want to finish 1.5, then we go to question 2. Let's check question 3. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Sonte re fetse re khone tloga go Gauteng re go Northwest bafetu gore le khone practice pila wa bona le ka osane go le roa le ngwana go mang. Let me check the timetable. Kora le ngwana through, so this time around you need to be resting, guys. Issue was cases. Yo, way grade 12 timetable, grade 12 timetable, exam timetable 2025. Yo, guys, re thomile lata this year. I'm sorry. This one we gotta try it, man. I love this ones. We're gonna try it, guys. And also le video ke tla utlwella gore audio is fine, so that ke fokotsa fan over. Taba fene ke utlwile, it's not that bad. I'm gonna stitch the last video with this. Ke fetso ja no. Having a late supper. Yo ga mo le dipula tse man. Di ampeniski sa gore ke mo di chargereng ke mo di tsapo. I don't know about the PDF since Notability says I need to pay for me to export. Something along those lines. Notability should actually sponsor us into this video. So we have the equation of line AD now. Ne? Line AD is this one. Ball penny, ball P. All right. Oh man, that shandies, that you see now. They're saying it's a read only. I can't write, I can't do anything. I've reached my limit or something like that. Let me try to fix it. It's Notability, and I love it so much, man. Emborilo it. Where can I go? Good notes, Lauren, and I'm so disappointed, man. I don't know why. Barry Quinn, you're so obsessed. Goodbye, I'm so obsessed. So since we know the AD, right? The AD, how much was it? I don't remember. Let's check. AD.
We have AD. AD was 2. Since AD was 2, we can work something out because we remember the standard equation that we have is the y, mx plus c. So we have this already, this one. Then we need to have the constant. Then we can have a constant. We will borrow this x. It is positive, this one is negative. That's why I chose 4. We're gonna choose our y as, let's make our y. So we're gonna put m here, right? So we're gonna put 2 here, right? This one that we have. Then we're gonna have x plus the constant. Where does it cut? At 4. So at positive 4. So we're gonna have -4 equal sign. Let me just do this thing.
I think for me the easiest way to look at this, let's see, we can find it. That's here. At 4. This line here. You see? What is the value here? It's 4. Not -4. It's 4. Right? where our graph cuts, right? If you all agree, then can you please proceed? I think we can all agree. So it's gonna be minus 2y plus 4. Simple as it is. Right? Or if you are not satisfied with this, you know what you can do? You can do this way. Let's do it the original way, as people may say. Right? So we have, if we have the graph like this, we have 2x plus c. And let's say you're looking for c, right? If you're looking for c, what you can do is you can find a point of x and y. Where can you find the point here? 4, you can choose the coordinate 4, but again 0 and 4, right? And substitute. So here you're gonna have your 4, here you're gonna have your 2, then x will be 0, then your c. Then how much is your c? C is equals to, you can see already this one is out, so your c is 4. Alright, that's why I was saying Hore, the quicker way